Hello and welcome back for today's puzzle. Again, just a quick reminder, if you want to solve along with me, there's a link to this book down in the description, or you can just find it on Amazon. Alright, today we're working on puzzle 116. Let's start with this box here. It looks like we're missing a 1, 3, and 7. We've got a 3 here, so 1, 7. 7 here. So 1, 3, and the 7 there, so 1, 3. So the only place our 7 can be is here. If we look at this column, looks like we're missing a 1, 4, and 6. We've got a 4 and 6 here, so this is our 1. We've got a 6 here, so 4, 6. Let's see, if we look at this row here, looks like we're missing 1, 3, and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 1, 3, and no help here, so 1, 3, 4, but this is the only place our 4 can be for that row. If we look at this row, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, so we're missing 8 and 9. We've got the 8 here. So 9 and 8. For this box then, it looks like we're missing 2, 5, and 7. We've got the 2 here, so 5, 7. Same thing here, 5, 7. That means the only place our 2 can be is here. If we look at this box, looks like we're missing 1, 5, 8, and 9. We've got the 8 here, so 1, 5, 9. And we've got a 9 here, so 1, 5. We've got the 1 here, the 5 here, the 9 here. So this has to be our 8. And the 1 and 5 there means this has to be our 9. So then we can get rid of this 9 here. We look at this row, looks like we're missing 3 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 3, 7. For this column then, it looks like we're missing 1, 3, and 5. We've got a 3 here and a 5 here, so this is our 1. 5 here, so this is our 3, 5. That 3 means this is our 1, 3, 1. That 5 means this is our 7 and 5, and that 5 means this is our 1, 5. If we look at this box, then it looks like we're missing 1, 2, 3. We've got a 1 here and a 3 here, so this is our 2. That makes this our 1 and 3. For this row, then it looks like we're missing 3, 8, and 9. We've got an 8 here. So 3, 9, a 9 here, so 3, 8, and an 8 here, so 3, 9. That means the only place our 8 can be is here. For this row, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're missing 6 and 7. We've got a 6 here, so this is our 7 and our 6. For this column, then we're missing 3 and 9. I don't see any help. So 3 and 9. For this box, we're missing 2, 3, 4, and 7. We've got a 2 here, 4 here, and a 7 here. So this is our 3. And the 2 and 7 means this is our 4. And then that 2 makes this our 7 and our 2. If we look at this row, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're missing 8 and 9, and I don't see any help. So 8, 9, 8, 9. For this row, we're missing 1 and 5. We've got a 1 there. So 5 and 1. For this column then, looks like we're missing 2, 8, and 9. We've got a 2 and 8 here, so that makes this our 9. That makes this our 8 and 2. That 8 makes this our 9. That 9 makes this our 3, 9, 3. So to finish out this box then, we're missing 4 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 4, 8. For this column, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're missing a 9. So for this box then, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We're missing 5 and 7. We've got a 5 there. So 7 and 5. And that will do it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you have a very good day, and I will see you back here tomorrow for our next puzzle.